Why you need to watch this video? Because I am sharing my own experience. I have learned many things in my spiritual journey for years. I have invested my valuable time, energy and money in learning many exercises. If you are searching for the enlightenment, or if you want to know about what is enlightenment, if you are searching for that, or if you want to know about what is Vipassana meditation, will Vipassana meditation take me to the enlightenment? Please watch this video. This will be more helpful for you. Hey guys, this is Santosh here from Chennai, India. In this video, we are going to see about my experience after learning Vipassana meditation. Because after practicing Vipassana meditation, I got so many benefits from that meditation, which has changed my life completely. I have got different perception towards my life. My thinking towards my life has changed me completely. I have also uploaded many videos in my regional language, in my mother tongue, in Tamil, but a few of my friends or a few of my YouTube supporters from other countries have requested me to do the same content in English. So for them, I'm just making this video. So watch this video fully. You will also go and attend the Vipassana meditation. For sure, I'm 100% I'm sure that Vipassana meditation will change your life. First, in 2017, I came to know about Vipassana. Before attending Vipassana, I have been practicing basic meditation and basic music therapies. I was practicing into that. After completing my UG, during my holidays, I have attended this Vipassana course. That is the first time I have attended the Vipassana course in my spiritual seeking journey. Okay, before getting into my Vipassana experience, I need to share few things with you all, because why Vipassana meditation is so important. Because I also learned many yogi exercises, many therapy exercises from 2017 to 2020. But Vipassana is the only meditation I realized that it is the easiest to get an enlightenment. Okay, it's the easiest tool to get an enlightenment. Yeah, I'm sure about that. First thing is, you don't need any kind of teacher or any guru, or you don't need to worship your own guru, or you don't need to worship your own teacher. Okay, you can be so independent. You can live your own independent life. You can live in this modern world. So no restrictions on your living style and also on your food habits. Okay, then you can fix. Or you can also call this universe as your guru to guide you, to enlighten you. Okay, so Vipassana has been taught by S.N. Goenka ji in India. So he is a teacher for me, he is a guru for me. Okay, so I just always show my gratitude, or daily I will keep on praying. Okay, thanks Guruji for letting this knowledge to us, for sharing your knowledge within us. That's the only thing I will do. So I'm not worshipping any ideals, or I'm not worshipping, or I'm not doing any kind of puja. So that is the first thing. Okay, independent choice of your own dress, food, lifestyle and eating habits, because there is no restrictions. There is no restrictions. You should wear this color dress, you should shave, you should not shave, you should grow your hairstyle like this. No, nothing. It is very simple, it is very natural. So that is the another important thing. That is the main attractive thing in Vipassana meditation. Okay, then you can be at any place now. You can watch this video at any place. Okay, any corner of this world you can watch this video, and at the same time you can start practicing Vipassana now, because Anapana is the first step in a Vipassana. observing your natural breath is the secret behind this Vipassana meditation. So you can start doing Anapana now itself. So for practicing itself, you don't need any kind of teacher or okay, you don't need any kind of special gurujis or any special teachers to teach you Anapana. You can start, everything is available in Google. It's a guided meditation, so you can start at your own place, okay? Okay, after searching for many years, that is from 2017 to 2020, I just came to a conclusion that you don't call yourself as a meditator if you don't know Vipassana. Yes, I'm just true. Okay, if you don't know Vipassana meditation, please don't call yourself as a meditator, because Vipassana meditation is the easiest meditation in this world. So go and attend one 10 days course in your lifetime. For sure, I'm again telling this word, 100% I'm sure this will change your life. This course will change your life, okay? Then coming back to my spiritual seeking journey, later I found, that is from 2017 to 2020, I found this course is real and true path to the enlightenment, because Buddha also got enlightenment using the same technique, that is Vipassana meditation technique. Many foreigners will also come to India to learn Vipassana meditation technique. Worldwide, around 192 centers are there. If you are watching this video, you can go and attend Vipassana meditation in nearby your center. For that, you just need to Google www.dhamma, Dhamma.org, www.dhamma.org. You can search your nearest Vipassana center and you can take one full 10-day course, okay? It is free of cost, accommodation is free, food is free, everything is free, but they need only your time, okay? I will also upload another video in English, my sharing experience on Vipassana meditation, that is after learning Vipassana meditation, what I experienced or what I realized, because this video is why you particularly learn Vipassana meditation. This concludes from 2018, because in 2018 only I learned Vipassana, but I am sharing all my spiritual journey from 2017, so for sure it will be helpful for you. Okay, from 2017 to 2018 I have learned meditation techniques and I learned many yogi exercises and many therapies, but we all attained enlightenment already, okay? We all are enlightened souls, but we don't know the true path to our enlightened home. So if you are searching for the enlightenment, know this truth: all human beings in this world are enlightened. The only thing is we don't know how to reach our how to reach our home back, okay? So for that, Vipassana will help you. For sure, Vipassana will help you. Okay, every exercises, that is many yogi exercise, many breathing exercise, and all those therapies are benefiting people. Okay, I am not against any exercises or any breathing exercises, okay? Everything is good, everything is real. I am not against that. But Vipassana is very simple. If you are searching for the truth, if you are searching for the enlightenment, if you are searching for the path of the enlightenment, Vipassana is the only tool. Vipassana is the only easiest tool in this world to learn the way back to our enlightened home. There are 112 ways to reach back our enlightened home, but Vipassana is the easiest way. In one article in my spiritual journey, I came to know that only 48 minutes is enough to get an enlightenment. But what you know, we can't able to concentrate even for 48 seconds, even for 60 seconds. you will go and sit in your meditation seat and you will concentrate on your breath. That is your own natural breath. All your negative thoughts or some thinking will come and disturb you. So even for 48 seconds, you can't concentrate on your natural breath. So by practicing each day by day, slowly and steadily, you can grow and you can attain enlightenment when you are able to concentrate 48 minutes only on breathing without any thinking. Okay. Vipassana is that tool. Vipassana will help you. Okay. Okay. There are many yogi exercises and there are many breathing exercises. They are just only a physical exercise because you are inhaling and exhaling. You are inhaling and exhaling, and that will that O2 is there now, oxygen is there, and that will fill your chest. That's it. It's just a physical exercise, but Vipassana is not like that. Vipassana is completely 100% natural. Okay. Already I have told you, you are concentrating on your breath. After 30 seconds or after 48 seconds or even after 100 seconds, you will be falling as your own victim to your own thoughts. Then what you will think? You will concentrate on that thought and you will not concentrate on your breath. Again after 100 seconds you will be paused, and after then you will start concentrating on your breath. Again some thought will come. Again you will concentrate on that thought. So it is very difficult in the beginning stage. But when you practice it day by day, slowly and steadily, for sure, you can also attain enlightenment. Okay. Okay, why I'm against many yogi exercises, or why I'm telling that yogi exercises will not give you the 100% result what you're searching for if you're searching for the enlightenment, nah? Because yogi exercises are very tough. You need to sit in one position and you need to struggle your body. And Vipassana is totally different from pranayama. Don't think that Vipassana is pranayama. Vipassana is totally different from pranayama. So even if you are practicing any yogi exercises, please go and attend one 10-day Vipassana course in your lifetime. I am sure it will change your life. Okay. Vipassana is very normal and natural. From starting of this video, I am telling this truth to you because it is very natural. From our birth till our death, one thing will come with us. Okay. They are not our parents, not our siblings, not our daughter or son, not our wife, not our relatives, not our friends. The only thing from your birth till your death is your own breath, your own natural breath. That is why I am telling that if you are doing yoga exercises, you are forcing yourself to inhale and you are forcing yourself to exhale. That is unnatural. But in Vipassana meditation technique, it is 100% pure and natural. Okay, before learning Vipassana meditation, this is the only thing or the important tip I am sharing with you. Okay, you can practice Vipassana meditation or you can practice any yoga exercises or any breathing exercises. This is the important tool or how can we say? Okay, this is an important tip to all the spiritual journey seekers who are seeking the enlightenment path. Okay, don't be goal oriented always. Make sure your mind that don't be goal oriented, because we all are meditators. We'll be sitting and enjoying the meditation. The next person to us will do the same thing and he or she may attain enlightenment because he or she is committed to the practice. He or she is practicing truly to attain enlightenment, so he has attained enlightenment. We will sit and practice for day by day, years by years, but we will not get enlightenment. This is the important thing which is happening in the yoga exercises. But in Vipassana, you don't need to be goal oriented. Okay, don't be goal oriented. Sit silently. Sit silently, because breath is our key to attain the enlightenment. Okay, that is what I have written here, because breath is the only key which gives you calmness, and breath is always effective in Vipassana meditation. Okay, you need to have patience, because these current generation people don't have patience in the journey of spiritual life. Why? Because we all need to enjoy something. We all need to realize something. Some pleasure should happen within us. Something should dance within us. That will not happen in a single day in Vipassana meditation. So you need to have patience. We are not living in the Buddha time, in the old Buddha time. Everything has changed. So you also need to change your programmed and fixed mindset. So then only you can reach the enlightenment very soon. Then I am coming here that in this current world, in the spiritual journey, whatever you are practicing or whatever you are searching for the truth or towards the enlightenment, 99% of the, note this point, 99% of the exercises are not true, or they are teaching you in the wrong ways, or in the wrong technique, or in the wrong methods. Okay, why all people are learning yogi exercises? Why and all people are doing yoga than Vipassana meditation, which is very easy and simple? Because when you are doing any yoga, first it's a physical exercise. You will be doing some asanas, which may be a very complex thing, and people may wonder at you. So for attention seeking or to show off something, people are attracted towards that yogi exercises or any breathing exercises. It is very complex thing, you know. We are sitting and we are torturing ourselves. So that is not there in Vipassana meditation. So Vipassana meditation is very easiest thing. Okay, see, you need to know that I am not blaming anything. What I am saying is real and truth. Okay, only few people are attaining enlightenment in the yogi exercises, but more than thousands of people are attaining enlightenment in the Vipassana meditation technique. After knowing or after practicing Vipassana meditation techniques, they are attaining enlightenment. You see, this is only a small, very small in numbers in yogi exercises. In Vipassana meditation, it is in thousands. So which one you will choose? You will choose the very easiest path, or the very complex path, or the very difficult path. The decision is up to you. Okay, we are torturing. In yogi exercises, we are sitting and torturing our body this way and that way. That is not there in Vipassana meditation. Okay, you don't need to activate any chakras. You don't need to know about anything. If you don't know about meditation, if you don't know anything in the spiritual, anything about the spiritual life, then simply go and Vipassana meditation. Hey guys, why I am telling again and again why Vipassana is very easiest to attain in the enlightenment? Because I am also like you only. No one in my family have attended any special meditation course. No one in my family knows. They don't know nothing about what is spiritual, what is spirituality. So I am the first member in my family who came out of my comfortable zone. I have broke down many things in my family, and I have searched for the true path to the enlightenment. So I have already told you, in 2017 I came to know about Vipassana. In 2018 I have attended a Vipassana course. I came to know about the Vipassana technique. But see, what the mistake I did is childhood in movies. My parents, my friends, my relatives, this society has taught me that only by practicing yogi exercises from the spiritual gurus and the spiritual teachers, you need to sit and torture yourself by doing so many exercises, then only you can attain enlightenment. This is the one myth I had from my childhood. Even after knowing the Vipassana technique, I can't able to erase this data from my mind. Okay. So what I did is, after learning Vipassana meditation in 2018, I have attended many classes in my spiritual journey. I went to many ashramams, I went to many spiritual places and learned many yogi exercises from the teachers and gurus. In 2020, I came to the conclusion in the month of May that Vipassana is the only thing what I have been searching for these many years. Okay, many people will share their victories and success in front of the people, but only few people have the guts to accept what they did is wrong. I'm one of those kind. Okay, so only I'm sharing this experience with you all. You all don't need to waste any of your precious time like me. Just go and attend one 10-day Vipassana course in your lifetime. For sure, it will help you. These are the benefits, these are the amazing benefits I got from the Vipassana meditation. That is after learning Vipassana techniques. Okay. What I got is, I wrote these things with my experience before and after attending Vipassana meditation in 2018, not in 2020. But I am recording this video in 2020. Okay. What I got is mental peace. I came to know about what the real peace means. So from the next moment onwards, I have started to search about the noble peace. Okay. Then I was more happier. Okay. Note this. And self-healing has been improved in my body. Then I was suffering from the depression, mental illness. I got liberation from the depression. My self-discipline has been improved a lot, and many noticed that and asked me, what kind of meditation you are doing now, Santosh? Please let us know. I will also go and attend there. Then I have uploaded a short video on Vipassana meditation in my mother tongue, my mother language in Tamil. So many people have watched that video, and so many people have called me. I've sent more than 1,000 people in my lifetime. That is, after 2018 to 2020, I have sent more than 1,000 people to Vipassana centers to experience what I have experienced. Most of them have given, around 99% gave me the positive results, the positive attitude. So Vipassana has improved lot of people's life. So you also please attend that. And kindness now, because we need to be kind to all the living beings in this world. So I have been more kindful to all the living beings in this world after practicing Vipassana meditation. Okay. One thing is there to share with you all. Always in this spiritual journey, don't calculate everything in terms of success and failure. don't be goal oriented. We all are dust particles. We all are living materials. During the certain time, we are also will do the certain mistakes which is acceptable. Even I did the same mistake. I have never calculated my spiritual journey in terms of success and failures. I have calculated only in terms of success. Sorry, not in success and failures. In terms of learning and unlearning. Okay. You need to accept your mistake and relearn many things, because that will help you to learn more in your life. Okay. Vipassana meditation is so simple because it is very natural process. Because many yogi exercises are unnatural process that is totally opposite to Vipassana meditation. So you also please go and attend Vipassana meditation, because whenever you calculate in terms of whenever you calculate your spiritual journey and your spiritual learnings in terms of success and failures, what it will give you now, you will be egoistic in nature. You will be in egoistic nature. Your egoistic mind will always tell you that there is nothing with you. Many things will happen around you, but you will not realize that. So please throw away that. Always learn, unlearn and relearn. Accept your mistakes. This is the important tip I am giving to you all. Okay. Many people are searching for the enlightenment. If you are a searcher in the path of the enlightenment, please go and attend Vipassana meditation. Because you don't need to know about anything. We all human beings need to know only about the Vipassana meditation techniques. Okay, what Vipassana will give you? It will give you the liberation. Okay, from what? From your sadness, deep unrooted sorrows, from your happiness, from your dirtiness, and from your bondness. It will give you liberation. Okay. We need to be very balanced. Then only we can attain enlightenment. We should not stick towards the happiness, or we should not feel towards the bad things happening at our life. We should not focus this or that. We should be balanced. Then only we can attain enlightenment. Okay. Vipassana has already helped thousands of people, because before Buddha also there was lot of Buddhas, because Gautama Siddhartha only enlightened as Buddha. So before Buddha also there was Buddha, and after Buddha also there were many living Buddha. So you can also be one Buddha. So start your spiritual journey from now. Start with Anapana. If you need Anapana meditation, I have it in English. Okay, just send me one message to my WhatsApp number 9841990704. I will send you. Start practicing from now. Okay. Then what is Vipassana? Okay, Vipassana will give you liberation from these many things. Then what is Vipassana? You may think like that now, because after coming to know that Vipassana has lot of amazing things, and I am talking about Vipassana is the most easiest to attain enlightenment, then you will think like that. What is Vipassana? Why this guy is talking about only Vipassana from starting of this video? Okay, for sure, as a human being, we all will think like that only. Because what is Vipassana means, we are going to see towards inside of us, because our mind is divided into three: conscious mind, subconscious mind, and superconscious mind. Conscious mind, we will remember everything. What breakfast today morning I had, I will remember, for sure I will remember. But your subconscious mind is totally different from that. It will remember, because if I ask you, example is there, if I ask you what you had for your dinner on April 22 in 2016, do you remember? For sure you will not remember, but your subconscious mind will remember certain things. Okay, you are very happy. I will show you a person or your friend. You will just say, on this day, on this time, he has helped me. I was waiting for money. I was waiting for love. He or she has showed me that thing towards me. So he or she is very close to me. Okay. If I show you another friend, you will become more anger towards them. Why? Because you will tell them, you will tell to me that he or she has backstabbed you when you thought that they will help you at the most needed time. Okay, these are the short-term memories we will be remembering with our subconscious mind. Okay, for example, this is like just take a glass of water. Okay, that is our pure mind when we are born. But what we are doing is, we are putting many dirt in that, like mud. Okay, happiness, sadness, many things we are putting as mud, dirty mud, and we are not settling it down. We are always shaking. So our mind is also like that water. It is not purest one. When you sit and meditate, or when you sit and concentrate on yourself, on your feelings, your observations will increase. When you keep that glass bottle without shaking, without any disturbance, for about 5 to 10 days, the dead particles will settle down and you will get the purest water at the top, and it is eligible to drink now. It is eligible drinking water. Okay, like that only, all the dirt in our mind, in our subconscious mind, it should settle for some time. So only we are doing Anapana for the first 3 days in Vipassana meditation center. Okay, then in the 4th day only you will be learning the Vipassana meditation technique. So if you are not a Vipassana meditator, you can do Anapana and Metta Bhavana from your home. If you are a Vipassana meditator, please start doing Vipassana meditation. Whatever you learned the technique at the Vipassana meditation center, for sure it will help you. So we also need to settle all our dirty things, dirty particles in our subconscious mind. Then only we can reach our superconscious mind, that is the enlightenment, that will take you back to the, back to our home, enlightened home. Okay, that is Vipassana. We are going to look inside ourselves. We are going to do search on our own self, on our true self. Okay, that is Vipassana meditation. Okay, I have said, okay, I have covered many things. Okay, whatever, okay, yes. Okay, practice Vipassana. Yeah, this is the only thing I have not shared with you all. Okay, practice Vipassana to go to the deeper silence, stage. Okay, Vipassana will take you to the deeper silence stage, and that is the only ultimate path to the enlightenment. I hope this video has shared some insights to you, about the spirituality, also about meditation. For sure, please share this video with your friends and families who are in the spiritual journey or who is seeking towards the enlightenment. If you have any doubt, please feel free to message me. This is my WhatsApp number. I am always ready to help you because I am already doing that. Okay guys, take care. Bye bye.